Hello everyone, this is Rose and today I will be unboxing and also reviewing MelodySusie, the first truly UV protection nail lamp. So don't forget to touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So here I got the MelodySusie fun stickers, which is actually I use it on to stick on my phone. And this is it, the MelodySusie P-PLUS20F nail dryer. So this is the newest one. So I get the warranty information, the instruction manual on how to use this nail lamp. So make sure to not lose it. And this is the nail dryer. As you see, it is small and it's very sleek. I really like the design. And this one is the charger. So as it is a Type-C charger, so it is easy to find. So this is the on and off button, and next to it was the charger port. So if you're working on your right hand, you can do this. And if you're working on your left hand, you can do this, which is so nice and so convenient. And if you're also just working on one finger, you can do this. Wow, how convenient is that? So this is what the UV light looks like. Turn it on. And this one is for single finger operation. And you can easily close it just like that. And then you can turn it off, the same as where you turn it on. And now I'm gonna try it. By the way guys, you can change the numbers from 35 seconds to 65 seconds. So I will be using my MelodySusie Jeweliver Gel Nail Polish, shade C40. This gel polish comes with a magnet. So now I'm gonna apply the first coat, but I won't use the magnet yet. So this nail lamp, the P-PLUS20F UV protection, it has the UV protection, and it is also cordless and rechargeable. Then I'm going to cure it for 65 seconds. So some people ask, why reduce UV exposure? Well, UV nail lamps are essential for achieving nail art, but during the curing process, the skin on your hand is exposed to UV light, prolonged and unnecessary UV exposure that can lead to uneven skin tone, aging, weakened skin barrier function. So as you see on my hand, I have that problems already because I don't have a UV protection nail lamp. So I am so glad that I got this nail dryer now because it will lessen the UV exposure on my skin. So I'm gonna apply the second coat, but this time I will be using the magnet. And you can also use this part of the lamp so you can use it when you're coloring your nails. The UV protection nail lamp significantly reduces UV exposure, resulting in only small, light spots compared to the large, dark areas caused by the traditional lamp. This nail lamp has 80% less exposure area. It minimizes the risk of UV exposure that can cause uneven skin tone and lesions and ensuring hand health. It is also a custom fit for every hand. It is easy manicures within the 240-degree range. It is innovative, safe, and professional. It is faster drying, less energy, more eco-friendly, and you get a professional results in less time, plus less exposure of UV. Cure for 65 seconds. Wow, the gel polish is sparkling. Plus, when you put your hand under the lamp, it doesn't make you don't feel heat on your hand, which is so nice. The open structure promotes heat dissipation, heats slowly, it feels comfortable, and it reduces hand dryness. It is directional light emission. The precise light source focuses on the nail bed, reducing the UV coverage. This is a dream come true for all the nail technician out there, especially when you're doing nails a lot. It would really benefit your clients. So I'm gonna leave the link down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 or ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. Cause you're really gonna love it. So for me, it is highly recommended. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.